In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your free trial in Prestashop. Whether you've explored the features on offer or decided it's just not for you, canceling your trial is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you're guided every step of the way. First, head over to your Prestashop homepage. This is where everything begins. Make sure you are logged in, so you have the necessary access to the settings you'll need to adjust. Once you're on the home page, look towards the bottom of the page for the Settings link. It's often easy to overlook, so take a moment to locate it. Clicking on Settings is your gateway to managing various aspects of your Prestashop account. With the Settings page open, the next step is to find and click on Manage My Subscription. This option might be nestled among other account settings, so don't rush this part. Take a moment to scan through the options until you spot it. Managing your subscription will present you with any active trials or subscriptions you currently have, giving you a clear view of what's active. Once you're on the Manage My Subscription page, you'll see the option to cancel trial. It's important to be sure about your decision at this point, because this action will conclude your free trial period. Hover your cursor over it and get ready to click. This action is crucial. After all, it's what this guide is all about. Now, after clicking Cancel Trial, a confirmation prompt will likely appear. It's a final step designed to confirm your choice and ensure that canceling is indeed what you intend to do. It usually includes a button labeled something like, "No thanks, cancel now." This is your last step. Click to confirm, and with that, your trial cancellation is complete. And there you have it, a straightforward method to cancel your Prestashop free trial. These steps ensure you're not charged for services you no longer wish to use, and you're free to explore other options if needed. Remember, it's always good practice to check any email confirmations that might follow, providing you tangible proof of your cancellation. As we wrap up, if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more helpful how-tos and tips on managing your online store and services efficiently. Thank you for watching, and see you next time as we dive into more Prestashop insights and solutions.